Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. Today I start my video in the evening about 6 o'clock. There was a boy knock on the door, offer for showering snow, and my husband let him do. And since I record the video, then I saw another one is a girl, so they come together and help each other. I think this is a good thing that we help young people to earn a little bit money. So they took about 1 hour, almost 2 hours, and then done all. So this is the next day, early in the morning at 6:45. I would like to lead you to who ever never experience snow and live in country as Thailand. We never have snow, so you can see. But with with every people, sorry for my English. In fact, I don't need to say sorry, but I would like to say sorry because I'm gonna make you confused with my English all the time anyway. This is how it look like after shower without pouring salt and sand. So my spends left home about 6:35 before I made the video because he poured the salt on the ground a little bit to prevent slippery because the ice gonna cheap as icy firm and firm, okay, on the ground, and that will cause slippery anyway. Now the snow is firm, different from yesterday was like sugar or salty, or not salty, or salt or sand, but today different because they formed the shape and it is easier to change, to transform to the ice. And as you see here, if I gonna take everything out of the ground, will not live like this. But I guess from what I saw them using the shovel, right? The shovel are very soft plastic, so I think they are not catch the snow from the ground well. So this is what left on the ground. That's why I need to put the salt to prevent icy and then slippery. I took a recycle can out of the curve as you see, and I had to walk careful because I slipped many times, but luckily I hold the can tight so I didn't fail. Anyway, in the late morning, I am going to work and a little bit worried driving on the road condition like now you see in the development, but outside is better, much better. As you see here, I guessed people who clear the road are busy because the storm comes never take a break never take a break, right? Because the previous snow still have little bit and then new one come up and then pile up again, so they work so hard. Here when see closely can see clearly, it's obvious. I see. I thought about ice skating, but I don't know how to skate anyway. Just be careful walking and worry a little bit driving, but I did well. So you will see in the half part of this video the condition of the road. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Okay, and time to leave home. I leave home at 11 and supposed to be there in 30 minutes, but I don't know what's going on the highway because it was traffic stuck there almost 30 minutes close to the exit. Then I decide to go out of the direction before the exit that I supposed to take, and I still get to work on time. Okay, now you will see in the development the road conditions doesn't look good at all, and I worry if outside is the same, but no, outside is much better, much better. While I'm driving, I was a little bit worried when the trucks pass by because I don't like the feeling like my imagine in the head. If they slip because of the road condition and crash and then drag my car along. That's why I said luckily nothing happened to me. You see on the video. And now about 3:18. I finished work and ready to get home. Snow falling again. And this time, as you see in the video, big pieces. So I don't want to get stuck with heavy snow as I have no idea if it's gonna come more, how much more, then I will be home in worrying. So I gotta get home and try to get home quick. Anyway, it's not bad, just only a little bit hard to see the street as heavy earth snow on my way home. Luckily, nothing happened. I'm home safe. And thank you for stopping by, watching my video, and listening to my confusing English. Take care, everybody. Bye.